Finding the perfect place to stay while traveling doesn't have to drain your wallet. From hotels in the heart of the city to cozy Airbnbs off the beaten path, there are smart strategies that can help you save hundreds without sacrificing comfort. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to cut costs on accommodations while still enjoying quality stays anywhere in the world. Start with flexibility. The more flexible your travel dates are, the easier it is to score discounted rates. Midweek stays are often cheaper than weekends, and prices can drop significantly during off-peak seasons. When you can shift your travel window by just a few days, you open the door to better deals. Next, use price comparison tools. Websites like Google Hotels, Kayak, and Trivago scan multiple booking platforms to give you the lowest available prices. For Airbnbs, filter results by price and sort by total cost, not nightly rate, since cleaning and service fees can quickly add up. Sign up for rewards programs. Hotel chains like Hilton, Marriott, and IHG offer loyalty points that can be redeemed for free nights or upgrades. Booking directly through the hotel's website often includes perks like free breakfast, Wi-Fi, or early check-in. With Airbnb, frequent guests may be offered discounts through host promotions or multi-stay discounts. Always check for coupons or cashback. Browser extensions like Honey or Rakuten automatically scan for discount codes and cashback offers while booking. Some credit cards also offer travel portals or point multipliers that can be stacked with other deals. When booking an Airbnb, aim for longer stays. Many hosts offer significant discounts for weekly or monthly bookings, even if you're not staying the entire time. It's also worth messaging the host directly and politely asking for a discount, especially if your trip is last minute or during a low-demand period. Consider alternatives to traditional accommodations. Hostels, boutique inns, or locally owned guest houses can provide excellent value. Some even include breakfast or local tours as part of the price. For extended trips, house-sitting platforms like Trusted House Sitters let you stay for free in exchange for pet or home care. Lastly, location matters. A cheaper stay slightly outside the tourist core with easy access to public transportation often costs far less than a central hotel and gives you a more local experience. Saving money on hotels and Airbnbs is about strategy, timing, and being open to options beyond the obvious. With a few smart tools and a flexible mindset, your next trip can be both memorable and affordable. Travel better, spend smarter, and make every journey count. Subscribe to Next Journey Guide for more quick travel tips.